Hey everybody, here's a garden update for middle of April here in North Texas. Temperature's great today. It's about 70 something degrees and it's time to expand the garden. So if you kind of see what I've got going on here, I started to do this. All the cardboard that I had left in the garage from all the Amazon Prime purchases, I laid out and I soaked with water. And I spread out here in the backyard. Now, usually I have a lot of cardboard, but I did run out. I just happened to be a little bit short for this last little section here. But if I turn it this way, you kind of see the whole backyard. Basically, this is where the grass remained, and everything else, as you've seen in my other videos, has been turned into garden and food forest and all that stuff. So the mulch that I had remaining filled in this area here, and of course it goes all the way around back. And I thought that's where it would end, but you know, if you got the gardening bug like I do, you want to utilize every little space that you can. So the last remaining bit of grass was here. I decided to pull the trigger and just do it. And of course 2 days ago I put a request on chipdrop.com. You may want to do this too. Basically, it's a site that says, hey, if you're interested in wood chips, anybody who is cutting down trees and stuff, don't take it to the dump where they charge you. Take it to a person who wants your wood chips. So I did that 2 days ago, and I got an email that says chips are coming your way. So as I walk out the side here, this is what got dropped this morning. Now, look at some of these tree stumps. In the thing, they basically say, will you accept some logs? Yeah, I can take a few logs. I didn't know it was like tree trunk size logs. So, you know, I said, all right, shoot, have them drop it. I don't care. I really want the wood chips, and they're fresh and they're good and they're ground pretty well. But intermixed here, there is some little tree trunks. So I have a neighbor who uses for firewood, and we'll probably chop these up with a chainsaw to make them into smaller pieces here. But regardless, I got some wood chips now that I need to go ahead to put in the backyard there, and that's what I'll be doing here over the next couple days, is moving this pile of wood chips. And thank goodness it's not any more than that, because really that's all I need. But take those wood chips and take out the remaining bit of grass. I'll cover it up and then use any remaining wood chips to cover up some of the spots that need patching from previous. But it's just this little bit here, and I think those chips will do good to get it going here. And then, yeah, the whole backyard will then turn into food forest, and then it's a matter of what do we plant, and maybe make a little pathway with some decorative stones on the wood chips would look nice. But look at this, the wind's already drying these out and blowing them away. So I have to cut this video a little short and go ahead and get as much as I can dumped over here and raked out, or else I'm gonna have issues. Now I know I got some little gaps here and there which potentially could lead to the grass growing through it, but I think I got enough. And in past setups there, the grass hasn't been too bad of a problem. I can usually nab it and kill it before it comes out and does anything else. It smothers pretty much most of it. So anyways, I just got to get some covering for this little bit. Try to find some cardboard boxes or something to put on it. Anyways, that's where we're at now. Thanks a lot. We'll talk to you later.